Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Today. Yesterday we learned all about the number 1. Can you show me one finger? Yes, that's the number 1. Can you write the number 1 in the air with your finger? Yeah, we start at the top. Draw a line down. Very good. Let's count 1 using our counting person. Ready? 1 or 1. 1. Wow, that was so fast, right? We should probably learn some more numbers to count to so we can count a little longer. I think that would be fun. Today, we're going to learn about the number 2 and how to count to 2. How exciting is that? We're also going to learn how to write the number 2. So we're going to take a look on my camera and we're going to see some objects and we're going to make sure we have only 2 of them. So right here, I have 2 markers and I can check to make sure by counting them. Ready? 1, 2. How many do I have? Yes, I have 2 because that's the last number I counted. Now I have a bunch of squares, but I only need 2. Can you help me count to make sure I get just 2 on my paper? Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Do I need any more? No, I said 2. I counted to 2. We have 2 squares on the paper. Now I want 3, or no, I don't want 3. I want 2 pens. Let's count out 2 pens. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. Now I want you to count how many shapes I put on here. How many shapes are there? Yes, 2. 1, 2. Very good. Now I'm going to show you how to use Counting Man to count to 2. So we have this big body, and this is going to go on our counting person. So I'm going to staple his body to the wall so he can be all together. All right, here we go. Now our counting person has a head and a body, and we can count like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can use your body to count like this too. 1, 2. You can point to yourself. 1, 2. 1, 2. How cool is that? Now we're going to learn how to write the number 2. Let me switch my camera. All right, so on this paper, it has the 3 lines, the top line, the middle line, and the bottom line. And where do we start our numbers? That's right, at the top. And when we write a 2, we're going to go around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. So we're going to start at the top, around and back down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Around and back down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Where do I start my numbers? At the top. Around and back down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Around and back down the railroad track. Around and back down the railroad track. Let's do a couple more. Around and back down the railroad track. Last one, let's do the whole song. Around and back down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. You're gonna fill your whole page with 2s. Wow. And then on the other side, or on a blank piece of paper, I want you to draw me 2 of something. Let's see, 2 different fish. So I want you to draw 2 fish. There's lots of different ways to draw fish. This is how I like to draw mine. Am I done? No, because I need to draw 2 fish, and that's just 1. So I'm going to draw another one. Did I draw 2? Let's count and check. 1, 2. Yes, I drew 2 fish. I'm done. I can't wait to see your wonderful drawings, boys and girls. I bet your fish are going to be fantastic.